Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a massive Clinique Gratis haul. So I got to order my Gratis, that was back in February, so it's been a while, just haven't had time to film. But yeah, so I ordered a bunch of stuff that I've been dying to try, and then I also went to get accredited, and when you go to school, you get a good bag of goodies. So that was exciting, and then my executive gave me some stuff. So super excited to be sharing these products with you. So I'm going to start off with the things that I ordered, and then I'll go into what was given to me then from school and my executive. So the first thing that was on my list, because once I got that email that I can order my Gratis, I ordered it right away. I am not even kidding you. People were like laughing at me at work, but I was like, no, I'm not missing out, because the first time around when I got to order Gratis, things were sold out for so long, especially their most popular products. So I was not waiting around, and I won't wait around ever again. So the first thing is the Even Better Clinical Dark Spot Corrector and Optimizer. I've been using this every single day, morning and night. I have been loving this. I will pair this with other serums as well. I've paired it with tons of other brands, you know, with their serums, and I have been really enjoying this. This is so great. I have seen a lot of different, what am I trying to say? I've seen the most results with my dark spots on this side. I do have them here as well. I have some here, and I just had discoloration to begin with, but I've seen the most results on this side with these spots, and I am like blown away. Hopefully everything else will catch up. But, you know, it takes years for dark spots to come up under the skin, so it's going to take a while for them to go away. So this is something that will always probably be in my Gratis order. At least I would hope so. The next thing that I order to use with that dark spot corrector is the Even Better Skin Tone Correcting Moisturizer with an SPF of 20. I love this. I love the texture of this. I've used a pretty good bit of this. Sometimes I'll use this, just a very little, and then apply another moisturizer over top. You know, I don't know. I layer, because that's how you're gonna see the best results. It's just how it works. So anyway, I have been loving this moisturizer. It's a great one. I love the fact that it has an SPF of 20. I ordered 2 Moisture Surge Intense Moisturizers. I absolutely love this thing. It's so good. I love using this at night especially, but I do love using this in the morning as well. It's just so hydrating. It makes my skin feel so soft and creamy and just so hydrated. I love it. Honestly, if you even want to step up from that hydration and softness of the skin, definitely do the Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. That is amazing. But anyway, I love this. This is so good. I love the regular Moisture Surge as well, but when I'm feeling super dry, that I love. The next thing I had to try is the All About Eyes in Rich. I've tried the original, but I was like, you know what? I really want to try the Rich. That way I can compare them when I'm selling them. And that is honestly the main point why I got a lot of these products, was because I really wanted to try them long term, not just some little sample. That way then I can sell it better to my clients. So this is the Even Better, or All About Eyes in Rich. Oh my gosh, this is a more creamier version of the original. The original is more like a gel-like, very lightweight. But the Rich one is so good. I love pairing the All About Eyes with the Smart Eye Treatment. That is so good. It's like in a little pump. It feels like a serum, and then I'll apply any of the All About Eyes underneath, whether it's the Rich or the original, and it's just so nice. So definitely get that Clinique Smart Eye Treatment. I actually just ran out of mine this morning, and I'm like, no, I need that. So yeah, I love using that, and then another eye cream over top of it, because it's so lightweight and it feels like a serum. But anyways, I don't always layer it. Okay, I don't know why it has to be so like complicated. So then the last thing is the Quick Liner for Lips Intense in number 2 Intense Cafe. It's a nice nude. It's so pretty. I think I had exactly $18 left, and these are exactly 18. So that's why I kind of chose this. Even though their eyeliners are fantastic, the formula is great. They're so creamy and pigmented. And I have to say, the shade selection is awesome. So definitely go check out your intense liner, your lip liners at Clinique, because they are really good quality and great color selection. I love them. I love them to death. Okay, the last 3 things that came with my order are things that like you would like pick the shade and you know, it's like a bonus basically. So this was a bonus and it's a double pack of the Fresh Press. We've got the vitamin C and then the vitamin A, which is the retinol, which is brand new, super popular right now. Retinol is like all over the skincare market. I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried them yet. Basically, they're fresh for 7 days. I almost get 10 days use out of the vitamin C from I used it in the past. But yeah, I am super excited to try the retinol. I'm so excited. The vitamin C one is fantastic as well. If you need literally a boost to your skin, if your skin's looking just so fatigued and dull, get that vitamin C, baby. Get it. Get it, get it, get it. Mix it in with your moisturizer. It's so nice. So happy about getting that. Then I got to choose which Cheek Pop blush I wanted. And there's only 3 colors. So the color that I chose was Nude Pop at number 5. I've been wanting this color for so long. Every time I'm at work, I would just stare at it. I'm so happy that I have this. And the other shade I really, really want, even though I kind of want all of them, but the other shade would definitely be Cola Pop. That wasn't part of the 3 colors that we got to choose from, and thank God, because I wouldn't have been able to choose. I would have had to like close my eyes and just like pick one. So anyways, I am so happy to have Nude Pop. And then of course, dun da da da, the biggest launch ever is the new Even Better Refresh Hydrating Foundation. This foundation is phenomenal. I'm wearing it today. It's a full coverage foundation. It's hydrating. It doesn't like settle into any lines, wrinkles, pores, nothing. It's very blurring. It's smooth and it's so lightweight. I do want to do a separate review video on this, so hopefully I will get that out sooner rather than later. But I'm not kidding you guys. Go to your counters, get color matched. You know, get a sample. It's so, so good. So definitely just go to your counters and be like, I need to try this Even Better Refresh. I heard some crazy girl talking about it and I need it. So anyways, this is so, so, so good. Okay, next are items that were given to me through Gratis when I went to school and from my executive. So the one product that I swear I'm always getting if I'm ever getting a gift is the balm. The balm, I will have to say this, it is really good. I love using it when I'm doing makeup on people, like to fix, you know, mistakes or just taking off their makeup or a swatch or whatever it is. But this is so good as a makeup artist. I love it. But when I use it on myself, I do like it, but I don't know. I think it's like, I don't know. I think what happens is I like to use it with my fingers. If you're using it with like cotton or something sometimes, and it's not like good cotton, I use the Shiseido, so those don't really rip apart. But if you're using like a cotton ball, like those hairs are gonna get like stuck everywhere. So the way I like to use this is with my fingers. And then take all your makeup off and then, you know, cleanse. So it's like kind of like a double cleanse. Use this to take your makeup off and then use another cleanser. That way I like it. But using a cotton thing, it just gets all like crazy. But I love using this on clients. It's so, so, so good. Ooh, got stuck in my hair. But yeah, love that. I have so much balm, it's not even funny. The next thing is the Custom Repair Wear Serum from the Smart line. Smart line is fantastic from Clinique. If you've never tried it, go try it. It's so nice. So this is what it looks like here. This is a 4-week supply. I don't use this every single day because I use this in conjunction even with my Even Better Dark Spot Serum. I'll use that even over top of that. I'll use this all by itself. I'll use it with other serums. I love the texture of the serum. It's so nice. I got the Fresh Press 7-Day. So this comes with the vitamin C. Comes with the vitamin C and then also comes with the packets for the cleanser. They're always giving this. If you go to school, you're always getting one of those. I got a High Impact Mascara. And then I got Moisture Surge. I got a big one from a different time. I think I got this for accreditation, and then my executive gave me a smaller one, which I love the small sizes because they're great for travel. Like, I love them. I always save the small ones for travel. Like, and I will never use the big ones. Unless if I'm trying a new product and I have a little size of it, I'll use that first to make sure I like it. Because if I didn't care for it, then I'll give the full size to somebody else. I got, this is the hydrating jelly. I'm going to love the jelly over the summer. For the wintertime, I'm too dry for it, but the summertime, I'm going to be loving that. Of course, gotta have the clarifying lotion. I'm number 2. In the summertime, I get a little bit more oily. I'll use the 3. And I love the alcohol-free one, the 1.0, which is alcohol-free for all skin types. Hands down, is amazing. I love it so much. So my executive gave us all one of these as well. She gave us a good goodie bag with most of these things in it. It was awesome. And then the other stuff I got through accreditation. And then I got the Sugar and Maple lipstick, which is a great color that a lot of customers love. I'm probably going to give this to my mom just because she'll get more use out of it. I swatched it and I'm like, oh, I really like that, but I have so many lipsticks and I know she'll appreciate it. And then I also got the Liquid Matte in Boom Pop number 7, which is like a nice like plummy purpley color. So that is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link my last Clinique Gratis haul below, so if you want to see the other things that I have been using. But definitely stay tuned for a March beauty favorites video because you'll definitely see some repeats in there, as long as oh my gosh, can I not talk? Along with some other beauty favorites. So anyway, guys, I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any like Clinique like video requests, definitely let me know below. All right, guys, I'll see you all later. Bye.